Hello, it's Cameron here, and today I'm going to talk about how to change your username on a Facebook business page. So up top in your URL here, you'll see that it says creatively listed behind facebook.com, and I'm going to show you how to get it to be whatever your username should be instead of all the digits and numbers that were up here previously. So the first thing is you're going to want to sign into your business page. So if you're on your personal account, just hit the drop down here and then select your business page and it'll log you in. Next, you'll click the drop down again and then you'll go down here where it says settings and privacy and click there. Then you'll select settings again and then you'll go here to this page. Now the easiest way to find this page is just to search for it right here. So you can search settings. We're going to type in page name. Search. Now at the bottom of these search results it says name. We're going to click there. And then at the top it says name here. And we're going to click view. So click there. And then now you'll find the page that says general page settings. This is my name as it currently is listed on the business page, and then username right here. So this is the facebook.com/ and then whatever your name should be. So if I hadn't changed this already, then it would show letters and numbers right here, and it wouldn't really make a lot of sense. And this is a URL that you'll copy to share this page with other people. So you want it to be branded as your business name. So then if I wanted to change this or if I needed to update it, then I would click edit. I would make those changes. It would let me know immediately if that name is currently available to use. And then I would save those changes. I hope this helps. Have a great day.